Hey y'all, how's it going? So I miss you guys so much. Like, it has been quite some time since I've gotten on here and posted a video. So many life changes have happened. This journey has been, let's say, interesting. So I moved from state to state, graduated grad school. I mean, the list goes on and on. Like, it's been a good minute since I've been on here. But anyways, I'm not gonna blab too much. If you guys can already tell by the title, I'm going to be doing an empty apartment tour for you. You can kind of hear the echo. I literally just got my keys. I am beyond excited. I have just no words. I'm so thankful to God and my friends, my boyfriend, everybody who's been so supportive throughout this entire process of me getting to where I am here. So I have to go downstairs and grab stuff out of my car and whatnot, head back, and then I have to drive about 45 minutes to go pick up some pieces from my place. But you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. But if you're new here, welcome. My name is Ruth. I go by Ruthie Songbird. Go ahead though and like hit the subscribe button, like subscribe to my channel. Obviously it's free, like do it. Join the gang. I promise now that I'm in my own place, will be like more proactive when it comes to making videos. I'm so excited to just hold this camera and be here with you guys. But yes, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you are already subscribed and you're a returning viewer, welcome back. I'm here, it's me. How's it going, you guys? It's gonna be a great year despite the whole coronavirus going on and being quarantined and whatnot. You guys, also excuse my look. This is the moving look, sis. It's been a lot. It's been a lot of up and down. And so let's just get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it and keep on watching. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my empty apartment tour. You can hear the echo. Obviously, it's still super empty. Like I said, I literally just moved in a few minutes ago. Just got my keys. And so I'm gonna let y'all go. You can watch the video again, but it's gonna end here. I wish I could hang out with you guys a little bit longer, but I have a car to go unload, and again, your girl's on the 3rd floor, so it's gonna be a workout. I'm actually gonna go change because I have on a dress. Maybe some pants will be better suited for the loading and unloading of the car. So yeah, I love you guys. I wish you could stay, but you're gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to show you the door. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tour. Stay tuned for a decorated apartment tour, updated apartment tour, maybe a bedroom tour. Send me some ideas, please. Comment down below like what you think I should do, what will work for my space. This natural lighting is giving me light. I'm gonna let you guys go. Here's the door. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.